Ready to unlock a new level of data tracking with Google Tag Manager by harnessing the power of APIS? Let's dive in. First, navigate to the Tag section in your Google Tag Manager workspace. This is where we'll create a new tag specifically designed to interact with an API. Click on New Tag and then select a tag type that supports custom scripts, such as custom HTML or custom image. The choice depends on the API's requirements and how you want to handle the data. Now, paste your JavaScript code into the provided text area. This code will contain the logic for making the API call, including setting up the URL, headers, and data you want to send. Make sure your code leverages the data layer to dynamically pass data. This makes your API calls more flexible and adaptable to different user interactions. For example, you can push event data or user properties into the data layer and then use variables in your code to pull that information into your API request. Next, set up a trigger to fire this tag. This could be a page view, a custom event, or any other trigger that aligns with when you need to send data to the API. Create and use GTM Variables to extract necessary values from the data layer. This keeps your code clean and ensures you're always sending the most up-to-date data. Before publishing, thoroughly test your tag in preview mode to confirm that the API call is firing correctly and the data is being sent as expected. This is crucial for debugging and ensuring data accuracy. Finally, once you're confident everything is working smoothly, submit your changes and publish your container. You've now successfully set up API integration in Google Tag Manager.